Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to check in on the price action of Uniswap, as Uniswap's been on an unbelievable tear for the last little while. Is Uniswap about to push to another all-time high this week? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Uniswap up on the daily chart. Talking into the price action itself, I see that this beautiful move to the upside is also accompanied by very strong convincing volume down below, getting well above the moving average and obliterating the last couple months of volume read. I see that Uniswap has also offered up some very important areas of interest on this chart for me, which is noted by these purple box liquid zones. This upper box has a bottom side coming in at $19.55 and has a top side coming in around $20.56. This bottom box here has a top side coming in around $15.76 and a bottom side coming in at approximately $14.83. I see that there's also a horizontal to be paying attention to, which is pretty much dead center of these two purple box zones, and that is coming in around $17.70. At the time of recording, Uniswap is very much extended from its major notable moving averages, which can be like a yellow card on the board saying, hey, maybe not be buying at this point in time, but be looking for the pullback that could be happening sometime very soon. Does that pullback have to happen right away? Absolutely not. But at some point in time, we know that for healthy price behavior, that there will be corrections and consolidations along the way, and Uniswap will likely experience that at some point soon. If Uniswap manages to get any daily candle body closures above the top side of this liquid zone here, followed by daily candle body opens, then I think Uniswap's upwards parabolic trajectory will still be intact. If a pullback was to occur, I'd be looking for a daily candle body closure first and foremost below the bottom side of this upper liquid zone, and then likely a retest at the very least of this horizontal here that is coming in at the $17.70 mark. Down below, I see the 10 simple moving average is moving up very, very quickly and is coming into a confluence at the bottom side of this liquid zone here, and that would likely be another area of interest for me if and when Uniswap decides to roll over, and perhaps that could even be a buying opportunity. However, I personally won't be looking at accumulating Uniswap at that level. I'm going to be looking for some overall greater consolidation before I would consider entering into another Uniswap position. It's nice to see that all the major notable moving averages are being respected quite well right now, being that there isn't a heck of a lot of data present on this chart. I see that the 21 exponential moving average is picking up price action quite well when Uniswap does do these more significant pullbacks, and I see that the 30 simple moving average picks up price action as well, so long as it's positively sloped. So if Uniswap was to come down and test the 21 exponential moving average, that is currently living down all the way down at $12.27. However, I think before Uniswap tests that 21, the 21's likely to be up at much higher price levels. So we're going to have to see how this develops throughout the week. Of course, if Bitcoin comes along and decides to dump for whatever reason, then that could spoil the party as well. But at the time of recording, this is just a very strong trend in progress, and I know better than to ever be calling any tops on things like this. A lot of people get wrecked trying to call the tops on parabolic moves, but I do keep my conditions intact, which is those daily candle body closures followed by daily candle body opens, and those are my confirmations for continuation and or potential pullbacks. Coming down to the RSI is looking very good as well. It did get overbought for a short period of time, but has come back into the bullish control zone and is front running the exponential moving average, which is positively sloped, as well as living in the bullish control zone. So right now, there's no significant daily bearish divergences present, so upside could be the name of the game here coming in, as we move through the trading week. Down below the stochastics, they're just swerving around in the exhaustion zone, but being that this is a very strong trend in progress, I just overall look at that like a strong read. Trying to perform a fresh cross to the downside, to me, that's nothing actionable at this point in time. Down below in the MACD parabolic with everything else, basically rhyming with the overall price structure and the other oscillators as this massive, massive positive island of momentum continues to be printed on the histogram down below. So as of right now, it looks to me, again, my condition is going to be a daily candle body closure above that top side liquid zone for continuation to be the name of the game. Getting a daily candle body closure below that, then perhaps it could be signaling that a pullback and correction could be due. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on this. Overall, this is extremely bullish. Any pullbacks at this point in time isn't going to be an alarm for me. If anything, I would be looking to those pullbacks for potential reaccumulation on Uniswap if and when that time comes sometime in the near future. Anyways, you guys, congratulations on all your gains for all you Uniswap bulls out there. Thanks for coming by and checking out this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.